Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we bring you the exciting live action from the FIH Men's Hockey World Cup 2026, as India take on Argentina in a crucial and high-pressure clash. This is a must-win match for India. After defeats against England and the Netherlands, India need a big victory to keep their semi-final hopes alive. And they need to win by at least 2 goals, while also hoping for a favorable result in the Netherlands versus England match. But Argentina have started this game with incredible intensity. The match began with a shock for India, as Argentina scored inside the opening minute through Toscani. Just a few minutes later, Della Torre doubled Argentina's advantage with a powerful low strike. India, however, refused. Sukhjeet Singh brought India back into the contest in the 10th minute, taking advantage of a mistake in the Argentine defense and firing the ball past the goalkeeper. India now have to remain calm, organized, and aggressive. The defense must improve, while the attack needs to create more clear opportunities. Captain Harmanpreet Singh and the Indian players know exactly what is at stake. Argentina are also fighting for qualification, so change the entire picture. The second quarter is underway, and India desperately need more goals. The pressure is enormous, but the match is still wide open. Can India make a dramatic comeback and keep updates? Thanks for watching.